What's up, guys? Venice, I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. That's our roommate Vanessa. What the? There we go. Alright, what's up, guys? My name is Antonio. It is February 21st and feeling pretty great. We have settled into our new place. We moved here from the other side of the Hawaiian island of Oahu, and we moved from Honolulu to a town called Kailua, and this town is our style. It's our vibe. Story goes is we had a really cool situation. We were in a 12th floor high rise right on the beach. We could see a beautiful view. We were next to multi-million-dollar condos. So we were lucky to live in an affordable tower, affordable housing, and high-rise buildings just beautiful next to us. And Whole Foods was right across the street, walking distance. Our work was just down the street, walking distance. And it was a beautiful 2-bedroom, simple, no air conditioning though. And things were going great. We're supposed to be there till March 20th, and the landlord is Chinese. And if you know anything around this time frame, February 21st, 2020, you'll know that coronavirus is still rampant in Asia. So she quickly saw the next flight. This is early February. She took a flight to Taiwan, then to another Asian country, and then another Asian country, and then South Korea. And she was able to get back to the United States. She's Chinese, if I didn't already mention that. So she came all of a sudden February 3rd, almost 2 months before when she was supposed to. And now here it's me, my wife Violet, and Vanessa crammed up into a small 1-bedroom. 3 of us into a small 1-bedroom for about 20 days. Because we had paid our full month's rent, $2,400 of rent, plus electricity, which is another $125, plus parking, which is another $75. Also, we could be uncomfortable in a small bedroom. We also had our friends Beto and Lupe coming February 25th, so we knew we had to find another place to live. The big issue was that there was only 6 months and 1-year leases all around. So I sent out a bunch of Craigslist emails, a bunch of messages, and we were looking for places, and no luck. We're only finding 6 months places. Then I get an email a couple days later saying, "Hi, we have a 2-bedroom month-to-month in Kailua." We had never been to Kailua before. We come and visit and we fall in love. It's a beautiful town, and we just moved in a couple days ago. It's been pretty amazing. The only downside is we share a car, and now I have to take a bus 1 hour to work, but it's the price that we pay for the simple life that we live, and wouldn't be happy. I'm more than happy to pay that price. I see a lot of benefits of taking the bus. I get to read, meditate, I get to work on things while riding on the bus, save money as well, and the scenery on the way is just beautiful. And I'm going to the job that actually pays me very, very well, maybe $30 to sometimes $40, $50 an hour, and I come back not feeling that tired. So, you know, I only work about 5 or 6 hours a week. So that is where we're at today. Violet is at work. We have opposite schedules until we sync up schedules. So again, February 21st, 2020, my birthday's coming up in a couple days. I'm excited to share this video journey every day. If I make this into a YouTube video, consider subscribing. I have some big plans coming up. Travel vlogging, I'm documenting the process early on in the stages of a aspiring digital nomad and videographer, so stay tuned. Catch y'all later.